How to test aquarium water. First, let's collect water sample from fish tank to test.
We require specific test kits to test different water parameters.
For the list.
So this one's ammonia.
So ammonia positive.
As long as it doesn't change colour, you're fine.
Okay.
And this one checks for the other parameters.
Other parameter means like
So you've got pH,
chlorine as well.
KH, general hardness, nitrate and nitrite. So as long as the bottom one doesn't change colour.
Okay, so other ones is fine.
Yeah, so your ammonia is fine.
Okay, so how much time normally it takes? A second, couple of seconds?
Normally takes sort of 30 seconds to a minute, but there's been no colour change already, so I know that that's safe.
That's perfect.
This one, this one hasn't changed colour at all, which is good, and that one stayed very light. We compare on here, no real colour changes, which is great.
That's good, right?
Nobody was answering.
Oh, right. So yeah, you're all fine.
Sorry.
And then these three
I thought you guys must have been busy.
matching for Basingstoke, so you're fine.
Bathing stroke means like the place to place it is varies?
So Basingstoke water comes out the tap looking like this.
Okay.
So it just means that it's going to be easier for our fish in the water to go to your tank, which is the same kind of water, if that makes sense.
Okay. So place to place these colors varies, right?
Say again?
The place to place the colors varies. These colors?
Yeah, so if you went to Farnborough, it would be closer down this way, and Basingstoke's up here because it's quite chalky water.
Okay.
So yeah, you're
All
absolutely
set,
fine.
right? Okay.
Oh, absolutely fine, yeah.
Let's get some fish.
Yeah.